Uh, what's up, YouTube? And we have another unboxing to do. Our special from Fingerboard store. Hey, YouTube, what's going on? It's Domingo Rodriguez here for another live video of unpacking. This one's from Fingerboard store. Came from Europe. And here's the box. Yeah, something happened. I don't know what. Hopefully my stuff's in there. Yeah, I won't tell you what's inside until we open it. And I'm just going to start at the point where it ripped. Ah, I'm the Hulk. Okay. I waited about 2.5 weeks for this package. Ho. I don't think you guys are ready, man. Here's a bunch of they packaged it nice though. Yeah, what? Nah, I'm just playing. And of course, like everybody knows, it comes with a note and a bunch of stickers. And the receipt. Thank you. No, thank you, FBS, for making this happen. Okay, now we're gonna get into what I got. Alright, so I'll do this first. You can't go wrong with no Black River trucks. I got the blue, I got the black with the gold plates. And then I got me a little deck. Oh, this shit's fire. A little fingerboard. I just sold one off eBay. And I don't know what happened to my other one. But I really like the shape of fingers. So that's why I copped another one. But I'm gonna set it up, do some tricks. So yeah, this is what I got. And the Black River trucks, these are 32 millimeters and 34 millimeters are just $50 plus shipping. So it's cheaper than anywhere else. So go and get yourself some. So here's the board. Nice top ply. Medium kick, slow concave. Wow, this is sick. I saw the graphic and I was just like, I need to get that. And the pop. I'm gonna set this up. Alright, I'm back, guys, after that sesh and a little review right now. Great board. I believe it's 32.5 millimeters. You know, it flicks nice. It Has a lot of pop to it. You know, just decent graphic. You know, I love the graphic. I had to get it in black. There's two options, white or black. I chose to get it in black. I put some, you saw the Black River trucks, and I put some whatever the name is, flat face wheels. And yeah, so the board is sick, man. I'm gonna be seshing it for a while, and you could go to fingerboardstore.de and get yourself one. You know. Besides that, I look at the pop, so nice. So have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. There'll be a lot more content in this YouTube channel. Thank you.